discuss the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 4. MARPOL Annex 4 prevents sewage pollution from ship by requiring ship over 400 gross tonnage or under 400 gross tonnage, carrying over 15 people to use certified sewage treatment plants (STPS) or holding tanks. Discharge is restricted by distance from land 3 nautical miles for treated, 12 for untreated. With stricter rules in the special areas, ship must keep detailed records of sewage management and standard. Discharge connections are required for shore-based disposal. Exceptions are allowed for safety or damage, but with minimal discharge, the overall goal is minimize marine pollution from ship sewage.